Please ask Shubham Mata, please ask the audience to refrain from making such comments. Yeah, please continue. Please answer my question. I have a question for him.
Yes, as I said, the laws of motion is an event in Kshitij that is certified by Amiki, in which we have a problem statement based on basic laws of mechanics, and the students have to provide an answer for it.
So what was the approximate budget?
The budget
Of the event?
The finances have not been discussed now. As I said,
you can do it here.
I am in talks.
I'm asking you the budget of making one model, not the entire press or the event.
In India, the budget depends on the problem statement.
It ranges around some figure. I want a figure.
No, it depends on the problem statement. Like
You are
last year.
refuting my statements, I think. Please, this is a direct question. Just a minute. I would like the panelists to ask one question at a time, please.
One question plus Bharat can probably ask questions. Whatever information he wants to state, he can ask in a question form.
Yeah, sure.
Vivek, you can continue your
I would like you to repeat the question, please.
What is the budget associated with making one model?
Generally it is below 10,000 rupees.
I need a figure. What is how much? See, since you are in having plans of increasing, let me complete my question. Since you have plans of increasing foreign participation, you need to have an idea the amount of money required for each model, and there should be supervisors also associated with them. Tell me the groundwork that you have done besides stating some names as Stephen Gasser, who is in no way associated with laws of motion. Let me correct you in that aspect.
I have not said that only laws of motion will be conducted. I have said that many events, prelims will be conducted in different universities.
Vivek, can you tell that the amount which you quoted as less than 10,000, does Kshitij have to pay that or no? Participants?
No, the participants have to pay that.
And one more thing, Vivek, last year there was some prelims of laws of motion conducted within India but outside Khadak. How will prelims of laws of motion in international level help develop Kshitij?
Hello, Vivek. First of all, was laws of motion conducted outside Kharagpur last year or before?
No, a workshop regarding the event was conducted
Was
also.
it anywhere related to the event or the conduction of the event?
Yes, it was, because it provided the students with the required groundwork and the knowledge so that they can participate in the
Are
event.
you sure out of it? What exactly was happened in the workshop?
I was not present in the workshop because I was not a part of the team.
Is laws of motion the only event which you are proposing?
No.
Thank you. I think when you mention IMECI, the main event or the genre of event that turns up are laws of motion, night shift and Nirman.
No, I mentioned overnight also. Because IMECI is not the only
overnight.
IMECI is not the only channel that I am using to increase the international participation. I just quoted
IMECI with overnight. Thank you.
I just quoted 3 possibilities.
Alright, we're going to have one last question. No more?